What's going on, guys? Alright, back again, part 2. Headed down to Garner State Park. Gonna hit up some dirt roads in the area, but man, we really enjoy riding in this beautiful country, the hill country. So guys, if you haven't watched the first part, please go ahead and check that out. But I appreciate you watching and hope you enjoy.
Exactly. Oh wow, there's a lot of water down there. Pretty good. How about you? You all right? Good. Okay. Oh yeah, he needs wine. Are you sure, Tony, that what they have?
Because there's always one on that.
Okay, okay. I'll go ahead and take this, ma'am. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Oh yeah, I saw it. I saw it. It's definitely swaying. I'll tell you what, dude. This new bag of mine. I got a new lease on life, Tony. Okay. Go ahead, Tony. Woo! Load it down. Yeah! It's woo, we made it. Good job, Tony. Good job. For sure. You did good though, man. Good question. Alright, let me. Okay. Yep, we still got the outlets. Building may be used for sleeping. Of course. Why not? See, Tony, I'm gonna be back in here. And, yeah. Alright, guys. Saturday morning. Uncle Tony and I, man, we had us a good night last night. Went ahead and had a nice little sleeping pad. Had a really thick, I'm so glad I brought this oversized sleeping bag. Between that and the heater, man, it was so comfortable. You know, hey, look, we got a rough start going this morning, but we're getting there. We're going to go ahead and, I think today I'm going to just have the top box on and take the side cases off. So let's go ahead and get that done real quick. See, Tony's got his little buddy heater. I really like that thing. It really works out well. So far so good with the cases. It's just nice being able to pack just a little bit more stuff. I mean, sure, you don't want to bring the whole house, but it's nice when you can pack a few extra things. Okay. Perfect. Alright. That is it. Top. The side cases here. See the side cases. Okay. Now I need to undo, back these out a little bit. And I can go ahead and back these all out now. I need to move these two here. Boom. Boom. Go ahead and latch it. And it's one side done. And one thing about this, if you worry about having separate locks, you know, just like the TourTech bags and a lot of other bags or boxes, you can replace that lock and have the exact lock that you want. So don't let that scare you. You can totally customize it to the locks that you want. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Set it. Set it and forget it. There we go. Yeah. Let's see here. But I will say with this top case, Amazon special, $200. Okay. You saw me just a second ago. It's easy to mount and dismount. It is like a hard plastic. I've had much cheaper top cases on different bikes, so I feel like for the $200 it's not that bad. And what I like about it too is it comes with this liner that is removable, and I can fit a 2XL Arai XD4 helmet inside of here. So like right now I have a GoPro, and I'll have extra gloves and whatnot, and some of the tools that I pack in here. But yeah, it's just food for thought, guys, for those of you that are on the fence, because I also thought about getting Lone Riders side cases and getting just a top box, but I decided I already had the Moscow Moto Rackless 80, so I wanted to go with the hardbacks. But yep, pavement, man. In the dirt. Yep. Okay, we got some actual water this time. Oh yeah, I remember this bump gate. You ready? Okay. Okay. Packed here, Tony. Hard to beat, dude. Not bad. It's not bad. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep, a little stress, man. Give the camera something to shoot, you know. good bounce. Hey dear, you doing okay, honey? Oh, axis. Yep. Nice axis, dear. Nice little pedestrian bridge up here. Ooh, watch out. Nice little... Like I said, I know, let me tell you, I looked up camps because I was... Yeah, I know. It's neat. It's neat, man. I looked up and dude, for 2 weeks of a camp, it's like several $1,000s in some states. Yeah. Now then again, when I looked over here, I see RV sites. So hell, maybe you could come out here and camp, because see, I remember when I came here, you know, last year, there were in this field over here to the left behind these trees, there were people out there that were just, you know, tent camping, you know. Me too, Tony. No, it's one thing when they it's one thing when they say road closed, but you know, trespassing, I'm not gonna be cute, even though it doesn't look like there's algae on it, just so you know. Yeah. Oh man, I was like, look at that bathwater. Yeah. There's one or two more. Yeah. Trying to throw the power on. It's actually so smooth to quick shift in enduro mode. You ready? Okay. Yeah, it's just so much easier to shift. Oh yeah, I remember this one. There's no freaking water. It's so crazy. They must dam that water up. Yeah, because for it to have water in those other places, not there. Yeah, I can see why people feel confident enough to sit there and pound on this thing. I can understand now. Yeah, it is. A lot of people say it takes away the front end feel, and it does. I think it just takes some getting used to, for sure. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Be careful, because there is some algae, but not a lot.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. It's always a great time being able to get on these hill country roads, Twisted Sister and the surrounding areas. Always calm and peaceful. I don't know about you guys, but a lot of times when I ride in this area, I don't even need music. I don't want anything on. I just want to enjoy the ride, man. So anyway, wherever that is for you guys, I hope you're able to do the same. Get out there and ride, guys. Get out there and enjoy your bikes. That's why you bought them. Don't hesitate. Don't procrastinate. Get out there, man. Guys, thanks for watching. Remember, take care of yourselves and take care of your loved ones. Y'all take care.